Good morning and welcome to Fox 5 Morning. It is Thursday. It is March 26th. I'm in studio, obviously. Holly, good morning. Good to see you.
It is good to be seen, as you always say. I'm working here from home, and of course Mike is working from home as well, as we're all practicing our social distancing. So good morning to you, Mike Thomas.
Holly, good morning to you as well. Wisdom, good morning in studio. I'm getting everybody ready for a better day. If you didn't get out for the walk yesterday, you should be able to do it today with a little bit more sunshine. And the traffic department, roadways so far so good. Metro, 17 new closures starting today. We'll talk about those next. Guys, back to you.
Sounds good. Definitely looking forward to that sunshine today. Thanks, Mike. We want to get right to the headlines now. The pandemic is surging across the U.S., and many fear that it could soon become the new epicenter. More than 200 deaths from the coronavirus were reported yesterday, making it the deadliest day in the U.S. since the pandemic began. There are now 69,000 cases, including over 1,000 deaths nationwide. Here in the D.C. region, over 1,000 cases have now been confirmed. Maryland has the most with 423, and there are fears that the coronavirus could become a seasonal disease. NIH Dr. Anthony Fauci says the disease is spreading across parts of the world, transitioning into colder weather season. He wants Americans to prepare in case the virus comes back in the fall. Meanwhile, Canada imposing a mandatory self-isolation for all its residents returning home. The mandatory quarantine will not apply, however, to truck drivers and healthcare workers.
Breaking news overnight on Capitol Hill, the $2 trillion stimulus package to fight the coronavirus now heads to the House. The Senate passed a historic measure last night. It will provide aid to businesses, workers, and healthcare systems. The president says he's on board with this. But despite days of negotiations, several lawmakers are still not satisfied.
If this is not a drafting error, then it's the worst idea I've seen in a long time.
I am very, very, very concerned about a $500 billion that will go out to the corporate world without, let me underline, without the accountability.
Meantime, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi says that she's already thinking about a fourth coronavirus relief package.